YouTube? It's your man E-Ken. I am back with another video, man. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, man. We got us another chase video for today, man, for y'all to react to. We finna get this video started. We finna get this video going. Let's go, let's go.
Overhead of Lee Street, stand by for calls.
Damn, we starting off in a helicopter? Damn, we starting off high.
Hey, come towards Beecher.
He must got away. Yes, him. I think there is him in that black head.
Westbound on White. J-Lo and White.
Oh, he is pushing a Hellcat, bro. Look at him.
Alright, now we're going to be going northbound on the Peoples at White Street. Northbound on Peoples.
Hellcat Challenger.
Okay, make sure you let the units just stay clear till we get there, please.
Still northbound on
That's
Peoples.
what I say, bro. Once you get away from the police, bro, you gotta worry about the helicopter now. It's hard to beat the helicopter up top. It's hard to beat that bird, man. That bird's from this, man. That bird tough, to be honest, bro. That bird really tough.
We got eyes on that purple Charger, Challenger, calling in on Troop C. Peoples and RDA. Peoples and RDA.
Copy of your Troop C. You're in the first vehicle. Are you 10A? We're talking. Played up.
Alright, we're gonna be going eastbound on Peoples. Eastbound on RDA. Eastbound on RDA. Coming up to J-Lo.
22 radio. 7322.
Making a northbound turn on the J-Lo.
He pushing it too. He know he I think he see that helicopter watching him too. He can't do nothing about it though. It's so hard.
Alright, J-Lo coming up to Oak Street. Just crossed over Oak, still northbound on J-Lo, going underneath I-20. Alright, we're going to be getting onto I-20. We're going to be going I-20 westbound from J-Lo.
Okay, get on the freeway now.
Alright, far right lane, I-20. Westbound. I-20 westbound.
1133 Delaware.
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you wanted the case number. The location they're using is Del Mar and United.
Alright, he's going to be middle lane, still I-20 westbound.
You gave me the wrong address.
Oh, I see him. He got his sunroof open. You can see it from the top. Pushing that shit. That shit all black. That bitch so pretty. I love Challenger, bro, to be honest. I love Challenger, bro. For real. I choose a Challenger over a Charger any day of the week, bro. For real, because it's just so comfortable. It's relaxed. I've been in the Challenger before, and I've been in the Charger before. That Challenger, I fuck with that. And plus, I don't have too many people in it. It just be me and the female. I don't really be hanging around with niggas like that. It's just me and the female, for real, for real. So I don't really need all that extra room in the back, for real. Shit.
Alright, we're going to be going eastbound on MLK.
Shit, I'm not that tall anyways. I'm only 5'4".
Disregard U-turn back westbound on MLK. Westbound MLK underneath I-20.
I'm checking with the dispatcher. Give me a moment. She's talking.
Alright, we're coming Anderson Avenue. He stopped underneath the overpass of I-20 on the Anderson. On Anderson Avenue, underneath the bridge. We don't have eyes on him right now.
He can ditch the car and just run on feet and go in the woods or them bushes.
Alright, now we're going back.
Okay, he tried to do a U-turn didn't work. He better off going under the bridge, ditching the car, going on feet. And somehow going inside the building and caught up with Uber or something. Because the car already stolen, so That's the advantage he really got because the car's stolen. So if he end up getting away with shit, can't be me because ain't shit in his name unless he got fingerprints. He's already in the system.
22, that's gonna be 783 Delmar, 783 Delmar.
Pushing that shit too.
Alright, we're still westbound MLK coming up to Hamilton E. Homes very shortly. Westbound MLK coming up to Hamilton E. Homes. He's going to be in a far right lane, making a northbound turn on the Hamilton.
6513, man. APD is the GSP. I'm behind it. That's definitely the car. He's getting over here, monitoring the frequency of Parker and Hopkins and Adair.
Alright, if you're marked, back off.
Is there a unit pop?
Come on, you know
Parker
what's
Hopkins
on
and
the
Adair?
Alright, still northbound Hamilton. Left turn onto Log Haven. So he going westbound on Log Haven.
Black Hellcat Challenger.
He's on Troop C. I'm trying to get with the GSP operators.
You're going to have to either double back to Hamilton Homes or go to Collier.
Alright, he got a car that's kind of slowing it down, but he's still westbound on Log Haven.
Precinct.
Here it comes.
Still west on Log Haven, coming up to West Simon. Still westbound.
Where he's going?
Alright, turning into Chalmers. We're going to be going
This
northbound
nigga must
on
got a lot of
Chalmers.
gas.
Alright, they're going to be belling in these trees right here. They slowed down northbound on Chalmers. We got a trooper that's coming behind them, but we don't have visual. They're underneath the trees.
Shit, they better dish that motherfucker. A lot of trees too.
Vehicle is back on the move. We're going to be going northbound on Chalmers Drive. We had some other guys jump out of that vehicle, and now the vehicle's back on the
Okay,
move. Northbound on
somebody
Chalmers
had ended up
Drive.
getting out in the trees. Okay, they moving smart though.
Alright, we're going to be going
He letting
westbound
the
on
other
Collier.
people get away while he is the main attention and one with the car. Got the car footage now.
Everybody stop him.
They going exactly where his ass at. Shit. They got a goddamn advanced UAV on his ass. And that's exactly what they got because they got that bird. That bird, that's the advanced UAV for sure. You get that bird shit. That's the advance. He ain't get away from that advance. They know the exact location. That's him right there. That bitch a wide body too. That bitch so pretty. That bitch so pretty, man. Why they be doing those? Why they be doing it to these cars, man? Pretty ass cars, bro, and just wasting them like that. What's the point, dog? What is the point? Pretty ass car, wide body Challenger, blacked out. He driving that bitch like it's a Porsche. He trying to hit some precision ass turns. Look at him. That is a muscle car, my boy. Oh, you finna hit that freeway? Oh, 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 oh. Damn. Oh my goodness. That's a scat pack. They ain't even no cat. That was a scat. Look at him. Trying his best to get some fucking traction. It look purple too. It look like a darkish purplish color too. Like up close. Okay, here got a helicopter view.
Coming up to MLK, crossing over the tracks now.
Let's see how they look at him. Look.
Westbound on MLK.
Pushing this shit. Wide by the scat pack. Helicopter view.
We're a couple minutes out.
We got a trooper right behind him right now. We're moderate traffic up ahead, still westbound on MLK, passing Lynn.
He was driving that bitch like it was a Porsche. Lost that motherfucker, man. People be forgetting these cars. They look cool and all to go on the chase with, but for real, bro, they is not the car to do that shit, bro. This car is not made to be doing that. It's made to drift. Drift and go like in the drag. Shit, barely a drag because it's so heavy. But yeah, drifting. That's what got him right here.
Still westbound on MLK. Almost 1050, sideways east.
ACIC raising 5021.
Vehicle lost a tire pit maneuver.
Got him. Yeah, that's purple. Oh. He finna get caught. It's a whole bird on you, my boy. They got a UAV on your ass. Oh, it's straight woods. Hold on, now. He might can do something with that. They can't see him.
We got heavy tree covers. We don't have eyes on him, but he ran behind 3379 MLK.
His ass better spin at night in the tree. They ain't gonna work, man. They gonna be stalking his ass.
3366 Delmar. You'll be parallel to him.
You better go inside one of them.
If you can see the blue building.
You better go inside one of them houses. Go in one of them. You better go in one of them houses, bro. Do something.
Just come to the next cross street up north. We don't have any eyes. We were out
That boy in the trees. Oh, they said he got him.
Hey, where you at? I'm running behind Cascade. Cascade Spring. Hey, where you at? We got this perimeter. We're on Delmar, and I'm right here on the power line. Come on, Cascade. We're back here with him on the wood line.
What unit is that? I can advise you it may be part of a detail
Is it?
on another channel.
I really don't know if they got away or not, to be honest. That was a pretty entertaining chase to watch. And a lot of people keep on driving those cars like it's a goddamn race car, like it's a sport, like it's a Porsche or something, like a Lamb. Them cars ain't made to do that. Them cars is made to drift, slide. Them cars ain't made to be precise ass, crispy ass turns. Them cars not made for that. But that's gonna be the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.